Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the Harley Benton CST-24 T build series, and today we're going to be staining the guitar. We've got it laid out here, and we've got a few preparations to mix some dyes up, and we'll be back with you in just a minute. Okay, we're back. Right now I'm just wiping down the guitar with water to open up the grain, as was told to me in a video by a guy from the PRS, what do they call it, private stock. And hopefully this grain sealer is not going to prevent this stain from absorbing into the wood, but that's what my concern is right now. So let's see what it does. Starting off with the yellow, kind of light. Probably going to go over this 2 or 3 times with this yellow. I'm really liking the way that looks, actually. Patrick, if you see that I missed a spot or anything, feel free to tell me.
Okay.
By the way, did I tell you I've never done this before, so, wish me luck. We hope we're not messing this up. We're trying to do the best job that we can, doing the most professional job that we can. Oops. Kind of rubbing it in now, deep in, so that I'm trying to make it penetrate more than it wants to. I'm trying to force it to my will, because it is sucking up some dye in these areas right here. I was concerned about this end grain. This here I'm going to do a different way, so I'm going to have it a solid color like they do on PRS guitars on some of them, and Harley Benton guitars as well.
Miss a spot right there.
Right here?
Yeah. More on there.
Okay, we're going to let this dry for a few minutes. We'll be back with you. Okay, we're back. We ended up having to add more dye to the dye, and I think this is probably 3 or 4 coats. Kind of splotchy in a couple of places, like right here, but I think that'll work out later. So I think that's about what I'm after for the yellow. Now we need to mix up a little bit of red. So we'll be back. A little redder. I'm not sure it's red enough though. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. splotchy, but it'll get absorbed into the wood. Kind of what I'm after. Trying to pull this away. Back with the yellow, kind of blend that in. All the way over the entire body. I'm going to have to do this several times to get the effect I want. I think I still need more red in my red. So, we'll be back. Well, I have had a happy accident. I'm no longer working for a burst. I accidentally created this finish, which I'm going to leave and then clear coat over it. I like it. I don't know how you're going to like it, but I accidentally did that, and I think that's going to be our full figured maple top instead of a burst, because I like this better. So, thanks for watching episode 3 of the Harley Benton CST-24 T kit build. Please like and subscribe.